Can we use both TestNG testing framework and automation framework in Selenium test environment? Yes, we can use TestNG testing framework and automation framework like keyword driven framework or hybrid framework or any other framework. We can use both. We have to use both frameworks. Why? Both are having different purposes. Both are having different purposes. First, TestNG. TestNG, JUnit or TestNG. TestNG, here NG stands for next generation. It is a software. TestNG is a software plugin for Eclipse IDE. Basically, it was developed for unit testing of Java applications. We use TestNG in Selenium test environment for system testing. Okay, see, TestNG is software. It is testing framework. What is the role of TestNG in Selenium? We use TestNG as test runner in Selenium test environment. This is high level purpose, test runner. When it comes to detailed description, TestNG can be used for creating test batches, prioritizing test cases, next executing test batches, generating test reports, etc. Next, automation framework. Just a minute. Automation framework. Automation framework is not a software. It is a methodology. It is a process. TestNG testing framework, software. Automation framework, process. Okay. Example, it is third party. Example, keyword driven framework, data driven framework, next hybrid framework, etc. What is the role of automation framework in Selenium test environment? It is a systematic process to automate software. It is a systematic process. First, Selenium test environment setup. Next, creating a folder structure for storing automation resources like object repositories, test data, next reusable functions, test reports, etc. Next, creating test cases using automation resources. Next, storing test results in result folder. Next, maintaining automation resources. That is automation framework. Next, TestNG framework, software. See, TestNG framework role is different from automation framework. Important automation frameworks are keyword driven framework. Okay, thank you.